You didn't get any photos.
I did.
I don't think I
No, we're just going straight for a takeoff. Rotate.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Now that we're on our way, I would just like to have a personal welcome. My name's Bryony Beanie and I'm the purser on today's flight to London Heathrow. We're a team of 4 cabin crew on board today. If there's anything at all that we can do for you during your flight, then please don't hesitate to ask us. We would like to take this opportunity to welcome back on board all of our executive card holders and also the members of the One World Alliance frequent flyer programme. Do have a couple of reminders for you. It's recommended that while seated you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened at all times. And if you do open the overhead lockers, please be careful in case anything is moved that could fall out and hurt someone. Once the seatbelt signs have been switched off, we'll start an in-flight service. You are seated in our Club Europe cabin today. We'll be serving you with a light meal and your choice of refreshments. In our Euro traveller cabin, you will have the opportunity to purchase food and drink items from the M&S Buy On Board brochure.